So folks, welcome to my home office build. At the bottom of my garden you can see we are part way through, but this video is on this black plastic gridding by Ecodeck. Now when my wife was doing some research, she wanted an efficient but an affordable way of creating a solid, strong base on which to put our wooden base for the floor on, and this is what she found. And I've got to say, it was super easy to put together first off. So it all got delivered, and when we took it apart there was just basically loads of these black plastic squares and really easy to clip together. So you see we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of clips per square. So you literally just assemble it, push them together, square by square. You obviously need to do the right ground prep in advance. We also got this black tarpaulin to go underneath as well to try and help stop anything growing free. Okay, and you know, when you assemble this, it is a little bit flimsy, okay? You don't think it's going to be that strong kind of in first impressions, but then you start putting in the 20mm gravel. As you can see, I've got a few bags left. Okay, give you a bit more of a tour. You see we've got all these sections now filled. Okay, that is super solid now. Okay, now of course you don't have to use this for a home office like I am. You can have it for any outbuilding, or maybe you need it on a driveway, or anything else really. It could be a base for anything. You could have a table and chairs down here. Okay, but it just gives you an idea of what it's like. And as I say, I've been really impressed with how easy it was to put together, how strong it is now the stones are in. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing the finished article, but I hope this gives you a good idea of the awesome black Ecodeck.